You guys have yo, we can all play Swish for like an hour. I can give Milton my pass, and then you give and then you give Dark your pass.
You try that shit on me, and you'll be wishing your mama never met your father.
Wait, hold on. I gotta. Wait, hold on.
Kill him, and then just run away and come back.
Bro.
What the fuck?
Oh, you walked in front of me! Just take! Back to set up.
I'm going.
Oh, what's I doing that?
Wait, you didn't get your medkit.
Oh
Well,
fuck!
It's all good. You don't need one. You don't need
Back
one.
up. Snoopy, if you take one bit of damage, I'm gonna just stop in the middle and start healing you.
Thank you, sir.
Let's hope we don't go in through the roof again.
Wait for the hunter. I hear jockey.
This stuff.